Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another game ball edition of 49ers Fogies Shorts. And here are the standouts from the Angry Desert Redbirds game in Mexico, well, at least as I see them. Special teams kicker, number 9, Robbie Gould. He was 1 for 1 on field goals and 0, yes I said 0 kickoff returns. All of his kickoffs were out of the end zone. Defensive back and safety teamer number 26, Samuel Womack III. He had some great special teams play. He stopped a punt from going into the end zone. He had 4 tackles, 3 solo, and 2 passes defended. He also had 1 interception to solidify the win for this game. Linebacker, number 57, Drey Greenlaw, 9 tackles, 8 solo, 1 pass defended. Cornerback, number 7, Charvarius Ward, 10 tackles, 9 solo, 1 tackle for loss. Linebacker, number 54, Fred Warner. He had 6 tackles, 6 solo, 1 sack, and 1 quarterback hit. Defensive lineman, number 90, Kevin Givens. He had 2 tackles, 2 solo, 1 sack, 2 tackles for loss, and 1 quarterback hit. Defensive end, number 97, Nick Bosa. He had 3 tackles, 3 solo, 1 sack, 1 tackle for loss, and 3 quarterback hits. And of course, there's our quarterback, number 10, Jimmie Garoppolo. He went 20 for 29 for 228 yards, a 7.9 average, 4 TDs, and 0 interceptions, 0 sacks, a rating of 131.9. He also had 1 carry for 3 yards, which was a first down. Tight end, number 85, George Kittle. 6 targets, 4 catches for 84 yards, 21-yard average, and 2 touchdowns. His longest was 39. Wide receiver, number 11, Brandon Aiyuk. 4 targets, 2 catches for 20 yards, 10-yard average, 2 TDs. His longest was 13. Of course, there's our wide back, number 19, Deebo Samuel. 9 targets, 7 catches for 57 yards, an 8.1 average. His longest was 19. He also had 3 carries for 37 yards, 12.3 average, 1 touchdown, and his longest was 39. Running back, number 25, Elijah Mitchell. 9 carries for 89 yards, a 6.6 average. His longest was 19. And then we have our running receiver, number 23, Christian McCaffery. 7 carries for 39 yards, a 5.6 average. His longest was 20. He also had 7 targets and 7 catches for 67 yards, 9.6 average, with a long of 14. Well, it's time for the killer bees. All 3 excelled at pass and run blocking in this game in Mexico. Left guard, number 65, Aaron Banks. He has a 71 rating, 58 snaps in this game, and of course they allowed no sacks. Center, number 64, Jake Brendel. He had a 69 rating, 54 snaps, and once again, 0 sacks. And offensive utility lineman, number 60, Daniel Brunskill. He has a 67 rating, 27 snaps, and once again, 0 sacks. My honorable mentions: Jimmie Ward, Talanoa Hufanga, Drake Jackson, Tashaun Gipson Jr., Hassan Ridgeway, Kyle Juszczyk, Trent Williams, Deommodore Lenoir, and Jordan Mason. And of course, my players of the game will be revealed at the end of this video. So, stay faithful and go Niners! of the game are Special Teams, Robbie Gould. Defense, Samuel Womack III. Defensive line, Kevin Givens. Offense, George Kittle and Jimmie Garoppolo. Offensive line, Jake Brendel. And my player of the game, drum roll please, Samuel Womack III. Outstanding play not only on defense but also on special teams. Congratulations, not only do you get the game ball, but you get the special Speedy Gonzalez Award.